here we are. We're going David Attenborough style-y. Now notice how the male's probably the one that's like waiting on the side. It's probably, I don't know if they're a couple. I think they are. I think it's probably going to be the female than the one there having a wash and enjoying all the water. And notice how the male is guarding the territory, but also possibly wanting to jump in, have a little bit of water as well. So he's probably foraging for some food as she washes and prunes herself. I'm hoping it doesn't use it like a toilet because I've just cleaned it. And making sure it gets all the feathers cleaned. So yeah, I think it's being used. There we go. It's going to try and pop in as well. Now the guy gets to join in after the woman's taken after all the time in the shower and the bathroom. Guy finally gets a chance to, yeah, so much out there to see, right? So that's, yeah, I don't know if that can zoom in on that or not. I think they're having a whale of a time. Call them Jonah or something.